my name's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So today what I thought we'd make was a more interesting spin-off of your typical toast with butter. So basically today what I thought we'd do, I'm going to do a banana, peanut butter and honey spread on toast. So it's going to be a quick and simple idea which makes a great breakfast idea or late snack idea as well. Definitely using banana. Banana is a great fruit. It contains a lot of potassium and as well as dietary fiber, which is very important for your digestion and gut health. I'm also using some honey because I love honey and it's a great option for something sweet as well as still being natural. I'm also putting some cinnamon on. These are great ingredients to put together. It's also got a lot of anti-inflammatory benefits as well as being an antioxidant. And of course I'm putting some walnuts in. They're a great source of fat and provide a little bit of crunch as well, which I love. So basically I'm just going to put all these ingredients together. I'm also using white bread today. I prefer to use brown bread or multigrain bread, but today all I have in my house is white bread. So we're going to be using that. Still okay to use, but obviously I definitely recommend brown bread or multigrain bread over white bread. Just for the fact that it contains more dietary fiber in the bread, which will make you feel fuller for longer and having more benefits as well. So let's get straight into the video. Oh my gosh, and I also forgot to say I'm definitely using my peanut butter as well. I'm using the Sanitarium natural peanut butter. I like to use this one because it's basically 100% just peanuts, containing no added extra oils. So yeah, let's get straight into the video.